students, now we will be dealing with density bottles. So what is a density bottle? A density bottle is a bottle of non-volume which can be weighed empty and then with the liquid density of which is to be found. So density bottle is a bottle, simple bottle which has which we can use for measuring the density of the given liquid, which can be weighed when it is filled and also when it is emptying. After emptying also we can fill it, remove the cap and fill the bottle in it. So we have this is a density bottle. It's a bottle of non-volume whose volume we know how much it is. Here it is 50 ml. So volume is known and we can fill it, empty it and fill it. That type of bottle is called a density bottle. It is a small bottle having a plug at its neck. So it has a plug or closing cap on its neck. And this bottle can store definite volume of the liquid. Normally the volume of the bottle is 20 ml to 100 ml. The plug has a narrow opening. Through it, excess liquid flows through the hole. So when we insert the cap, it has a small opening. So extra water, extra liquid which is in this one will usually what happens, it will ooze out through this, will come out through this. So exact how much is the volume, that much volume of the liquid only can be filled in it. If little also extra we cannot fill in, because when we put the stopper, the extra water will come out through the nostrils. The plug narrow opening, excess liquid overflows through the hole. The bottle will have the same volume of liquid whenever it is used. So there is no change in the volume, always it will be the definite. So that is called a density bottle. It has a definite volume which can fill and refill. Okay, fill and empty it and refill it. So density, we know that density is equal to mass divided by volume, and from here volume is equals to m divided by d. For unity, d. Unity means 1. If the value of d is 1, then we have v equals to m. As density of water is 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. So for water, density is 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. So if we are putting it here water, d equals to 1, then v equals to m. So the volume of water needed to fill the bottle is given by its mass. So the volume of water needed to fill the bottle completely is given by its mass. So volume and mass is same when d is 1. Okay, volume. When the density of non-liquid, you see water, density of water is 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. So when this density is known, d is 1, what will be v equals to 1, that is volume of the liquid equals to mass of the liquid. So volume we know 50, here it is 50 ml, then mass also will be 50. Now we will be finding out the density of the liquid using density bottle. So what are the things required? As a common beam balance, density bottle, measuring weights, wiping clothes, given liquid and water. Okay, two types of liquid. One liquid whose density is to be find out, that liquid, and then water also we need for a reference. So and then what we have to do is take the mass of the empty dry density bottle using beam balance, that the mass be m1 gram. So first you have to measure the empty density bottle, mass of the empty density bottle, that will be m1 gram. Then fill the bottle with water and insert the stopper. So what we have to do, fill in it with water and then insert the stopper. What will happen when we insert the stopper? Exact volume will remain in the bottle and the excess volume will come out through the hole. The excess water overflows through the opening of the stopper. Dry the outer body of the bottle with the wiping cloth. So just when water will come out, what you will be doing? Just wipe the outside. Then measure the bottle. So then you have to weigh the bottle. First you took an empty bottle and measured its how much mass it will be, that is m1 gram. Then with the water or the liquid which have water, with the water you measured, this one is m2 gram. Then empty the bottle. So now we have, first you just empty the bottle, took an empty bottle, measured its mass m1, then you put water in it and then weighed the measured its mass, that is m2. Then now you are going to empty again remove the water from the bottle and then fill the given liquid, or which liquid's density you need to measure, that liquid you have to fill in it. Then insert the stopper. Then the excess liquid will overflow through the opening of the stopper. Dry the outer part of the body of the bottle with wiping cloth, that same. Then measure the mass of the bottle, then measure the mass, then that will be m3 gram. So mass of the liquid, mass of water will be m2 minus m1. Mass of the bottle with the water minus empty bottle, that is the mass of the water. And mass of the liquid will be mass of the density bottle with the liquid, that is m3, then minus empty bottle, empty density bottle's mass. So that will be mass of water is m2 minus m1, mass of liquid is m3 minus m1. So relative density is mass of the liquid divided by mass of water. What is the mass of liquid? That is m3 minus m1 divided by m2 minus m1. So we know that mass of water is, density of water is, what is the density of water is? Unison, or 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. So since the density of water is 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3, so the mass of water equals to volume of water. So mass of density equals to of water is 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. So mass of water equals to volume of water equals to volume of bottle equals to volume of liquid. So since one thing is mass of water, near each नीचे जो है, then density of the liquid is equals to mass of liquid divided by volume of liquid. What is mass of liquid? m3 minus m1, and volume of the liquid is m2 minus m1, gram centimeter raised to minus 3. The same. Relative density and density of liquid will be the same, m3 minus m1 divided by m2 minus m1. So why? Density of water is 1, so mass of water equals to volume of the liquid. Mass of water is, what is the mass of water? m2 minus m1. Okay, so now we are doing mass of water, density is mass by volume. Okay, volume of water is, volume of liquid equals to mass of water. Okay, since density of water is 1, remember this thing, since density of water is 1, mass of water is equals to mass of equals to volume of the liquid. Okay, mass of water equals to volume of liquid. Okay, mass of water equals to volume of liquid. So density of the liquid is mass by volume. So mass by volume is mass of liquid is we know m3 minus m1, and volume of the liquid is equals to mass of water, that is m2 minus m1. So here equation becomes m3 minus m1 divided by m2 minus m1. Why? Because density of water equals to 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. Then so the volume of the liquid equals to volume of water equals to volume of the bottle. So those things, extra things, no need of you just don't keep in mind. So you remember this thing. since the density of water is 1, volume of the liquid equals to mass of water. Volume of liquid is equals to mass of water. So when you find out the density of the liquid, so density of the liquid equals to mass divided by volume. So mass of liquid equals to m3 minus m1, and volume of the liquid also equals to mass of water, that is m2 minus m1. So the equation becomes m3 minus m1 divided by m2 minus m1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3.